Hello YouTube, Moonwolf Blood here. I have a very special video to show you guys tonight. It's an unboxing of a new 3DS system. So I will be right back with that for you guys. A few minutes for me, a couple seconds for you. Stay tuned. And we're back. I already have the tab and the flap open for quickness. So let's get to this unboxing, shall we? Sorry if I'm a little unsteady here, so I'll pull this cardboard box out. Sorry y'all can't. Well, hold on here a minute. Maybe we can do that. There we go. There we go. Move the box out of the way. Okay. First in the box here we have our little instruction manual and our AR cards. Anyone who owns a 3DS knows what these are for. I personally don't know myself because I never really monkeyed with it, but maybe in a future video we can. Okay, let's get this out of here. Let's see how pretty this is, shall we? Oh wow, this thing is gorgeous. Like, you guys, I wish you guys can really see what this looks like in real life. Those who do, you guys are lucky, because this thing is, oh my god. I am like in love with this thing already, and I don't even have it set up. But yeah, that's the newer system, 3DS system. So I shall see you guys here momentarily. A couple minutes for me, a couple seconds for you. Okay, so I had it for a few days now. Sorry it took so long to film this last part here, but the graphics on it are so much better, but I am still getting like used to the stuff being on the bottom instead on the top and side like my old 3DS. But I want to give a shout out to my best friend Bubby. You're awesome, dude. Thank you for getting this for me. I would also like to give a shout out to his girlfriend Jade. She also has my old 3DS. Hope you like it, hon. And also, my last shout out will be to my friend Courtney. I guess we're twinsies now with this one, hon. Okay, this is Moonwolf Blood, and I'm out. Thank you everybody for watching.